I feel like I'm a hopeless romantic. I can't help falling in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this makeup tutorial on this blue, green, and gold eye look. So yeah, I was feeling a little bold, a little extra, a little saucy, spicy. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so starting off, I already set my eyes and then did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to start with this orange transition shade, and I'm just taking down a fluffy brush and just putting that above the crease, kind of up. I'm blending up towards my brow. So yeah, I'm building that up to my desired opacity as usual. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep on blending and blending and blending. I sped this part up just because, I wanted to show you, but I didn't want the video to be too long, so nothing in the sped up clip is cut out. I just sped up the video so the video wouldn't be too crazy, of a length. And also, all the shades that I used are in the same palette. Except for the next color that I put on after this. I used my bronzer that I normally use, but other than that, every shade that I use is from the JUVIAS Place Magic palette. Okay, so right here you can see me taking my bronzer. I'm showing you it's the Queen Collection, CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer, and I'm taking that on like a flat shadow brush, I think, and I'm just putting that underneath where I put that orange shade and in the crease, and I'm blending it up into the orange just so I have a little bit more definition. Okay, so for the blue shade, I'm taking a dark blue from, like I said, the Magic palette, and you'll see in this clip I was struggling to apply it on the lid, and that's because I forgot that the formula of these shadows in this specific palette are not the same as in the Masquerade palette. They're a little bit more drier, not drier, but more powdery, I guess, and so they didn't blend as well as I would have liked it. So you see me, I'm taking like different brushes, and that's because I had like a brain fart. I didn't remember that they blend better when I use my finger. So you can see me I'm just trying to get a flash like a nice base for the blue on there, but it just wasn't working. So I ended up picking up a smaller dome brush and just kind of using that to apply the blue shadow. And then I'm just trying to blend out the edges of the blue so it blends well into the crease colors. And so right here you can see I'm trying to blend out the edges. I'm not really worried about the lid as much. And so later on I'm going to take my finger and actually start packing on the dark blue, and so it gets more intense. And yeah, blues and blacks are the hardest colors to blend, hands down. Like they're just so hard. They get muddy quick, so you have to really be careful on how much you blend and how much you take on the brush. So yes, but you do want to blend. So here I am with using my finger, and you can see using my finger it gets more and more intense, and that's what I was looking for. I just wanted to blend out the edges of the blue so it blends well into the entire, you know, look. I have a cohesive eye look. So I'm doing this for this eye, and then I'm going to do the same for the other eye. And yeah, I'm just going to keep on blending. I'm going to go back in with that orange shade and the bronzer, and I'm going to keep blending until it's all the way I want it to look. Okay, so now I'm about to show you the green that I'm using, which is in the same Juvia's Place Magic palette. And I'm just going to take that green and I'm going to take a synthetic brush and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray and put that on the lid. And then after this, I'm going to go off camera and, well, not off camera, but I'm going to show you the whole little clips of me applying like my face and, you know, stuff like that. So there's one eye, and of course me not keep forgetting that I'm filming and doing this. I put the mirror up up in front of my eyes. So this is all I'm doing. I wet the brush, and then I applied the shimmer over it just in the middle of the lid, kind of blended it out, and I took some more of that dark blue and just blended it over the edges of the green shimmer, just so it's not too stark, and so you can't see the harsh lines or whatever. So this is how the eyes looking so far. I really enjoyed doing this look. I've been thinking about doing blue and green for a while, and I just been throwing out other content just because I want diversity. But get into it. Hello. And if you're wondering why my mouth is moving, it's because I'm singing. I was listening to music, so had to cut it out, try to copyright the kid. Anyway, so the next clip is going to be me applying my face base and all this other stuff. There is going to be a point in the video where I go off camera and do my liner and my lashes, just because it takes too long. But if you guys want to see an entire from start to finish makeup routine, including how I do my eyebrows and stuff like that, please let me know in the comment section. Also, you can see my social media handles. You can follow me. Please follow me on both. I would really appreciate it, and you guys can interact with me. Anyway, so yes, I just applied my foundation, which will be all the stuff I use will be in the description box, so check that out. Don't be trying to ask what's what. It's gonna be in the description box. Yeah, I'm doing concealer, and then you're gonna see me blending it and setting it. What I use to set it will be in the description box, as everything like I just said. And after this, I'm gonna go off camera and do my liner and lashes, and I think actually my entire face. So when I come back on, I will be completely beat, and then I'm gonna show you my lip was just my normal nude lip. But anyway, I'm talking way too much, so yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, as you can see, I'm back. I threw on some hoops and a scarf because my hair was looking crazy. But yes, I'm taking my favorite lip liner, which you already know what it is, or you should know, but it'll also be in the description box. And I'm applying that, and then I'm going to take my nude, I think it's like a glossy lip paint or something like that. It's from Tarte. I'll put that in the description as well. And I'm just filling in the lips, getting it, to my desired color. And then I'm gonna set my face, as you'll see, and that will be it for the look. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out. I absolutely love this look. I would definitely wear this nighttime. This is like nighttime summer vibes. But yeah, also the gold in the inner corner is also from the Magic palette. All the shades and everything will be in the description box, so check that out. And so yeah, that is pretty much it for this blue, green, and gold eye look. I'm feeling it. I love how bold it was. I would actually scratch that. I'd probably wear this in the daytime. That's just how I am. But yeah, this is it for this blue, green, and gold eyeshadow look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean, smash that subscribe button for me. That would be doing me so much justice. So yes, also make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, which is down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.